Hi everyone, welcome to this data annotation course. I'm your instructor, and today we're diving into the first part of the material. Hope you're ready, let's get started.
In this chapter of the Artificial Intelligence Technology Application Core Course Series textbooks, we will focus on 3D point cloud annotation. We'll start with an introduction to 3D point cloud labeling, then look into the 3D point cloud annotation tool, followed by a 3D point cloud labeling project. After that, we'll have a chapter summary and finally, homework and exercises. Let's start with the project background. 3D point cloud image data annotation means marking target objects using 3D annotation frames in 3D images collected by LiDAR. Target objects include vehicles, pedestrians, advertising signs, and trees. For automatic driving, there are labeling specifications. The label frame should have all 6 surfaces fitting the radar points with no missing points. Categories include vehicles, buses, trucks, motorcycles, pedestrians, and more. Attributes cover aspects like the direction, size, occlusion, truncation, departure of the label box, as well as the motion state and TOS of the target object. Now, let's move on to the 3D point cloud annotation process. First is data labeling. Here are the steps. Start the client, then click Get Data to load the task. Switch the main view to the top view mode, create a new object and adjust it to fit. Next, switch to other frames to adjust the position until all 3D and 2D are tracked and mapped, and finally click Submit. Second in the annotation process is quality inspection, which includes 2 methods. For single label box quality inspection, by default, the label box is white, meaning it hasn't been inspected. If it passes, it turns green. If it fails, it turns red, and the reason for failure must be filled in. For single frame quality inspection, if a certain frame of the video passes, the frame number shows green. If it fails, it shows red. The frame number submitted after repair shows yellow, and the unqualified frame doesn't affect the frame color and inspection results. Third is rework. Check the quality inspection results and modify unqualified marked data. When repairing a single label frame, modify the label object according to the unqualified reason. After modification, the label box turns orange. After all repairs are done, click Submit to save the results. When submitting, it will check if all unqualified target boxes and frames are corrected. If not, there will be a prompt and submission won't be allowed. After repair, put the result into task configuration parameters, change the task mode to quality inspection and inspect again. If it fails, keep repairing until it passes. Finally, for the 3D point cloud annotation process, here is the export example. The following is the schematic diagram of the point cloud annotation export interface.